Hello everybody, welcome to Automation Test Hub. So this is Rajesh. So today's agenda is how to install the Vtiger application. So we required a Vtiger application for performing the test automation. So we need at least application, any web application where we can do the end-to-end automation. So this application we can install this application on our local machine and without internet connection we can utilize it. So let's see how to install it. So the prerequisite of this particular software or application is like suppose if you are installing this application on any Windows platform, so it supports basically 7 8 also on 10 as well. So before installing this software, you have to remove the antivirus if you have installed it on your machine. So if you are using any freeware antivirus, so I would recommend you can uninstall it. Otherwise, if you are using any paid version, so for time being, you can disable it. Okay. So this is the particular software's exe file. So I will share this software link within a YouTube video, so you can get that link from there. Otherwise I will share this link to you. So here just right click on this exe file and click as run as administrator, click yes. Now click next. Yes, this is the install Apache option, just you have to choose this one by default. Next, and here you have to put 100 in place of 80. So click next. Now click again next, and here click next. Then here in place of 3306 you have to put 3340. Now click next, 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 and hold on, it will take around 30 to 50 seconds. This particular application is a open source application, so you can download the software or latest version from the Vtiger website itself. And this particular application is made in PHP and as a front end, and it is using MySQL as a backend. So click on here finish button. So basically we'll start the Apache and MySQL server. After clicking on that finish button, it will open the browser. It will auto detect the any default browser. So this is the particular URL. So just click on the next button, click next, and here you have to put 100 in place of 18, and here in password section you have to change the password, like you have to put the password admin, same as username. Click on next and click on this checkbox, click on create, then next. And this step will take around 1 or 2 minutes based on your system speed. And this is the last step. So I am pausing this video because it will take some time. Okay, so now click on the finish button, and here just put the username as admin and put the password is admin. Click on login button. Now you can see we have successfully logged into the application. Now click on logout. So we have installed this Vtiger application successfully. So in order to use this application, so this is our default URL. So just you have to put, whenever if you want to open this application, just open the browser and put this URL and click enter. Now you can access this application. So you can save this URL. Another thing, whenever you will start your system, then at that time, before launching this particular URL on the browser, first you have to start the server. So after installing it, you will see that this is the shortcut is will be available on your system, on your desktop. So first you have to restart this server. So whenever you will start your system, and if you are launching this URL, and if you will get the error like some MySQL warning error over there on the top of this particular application, so it means you have not started the this particular application server. So first you have to start this. You have to right click on this Vtiger CRM shortcut and click run as administrator and click here yes, and you will see like one command prompt. So this command prompt automatically uh, gets closed. So after closing this command prompt, now go to the again browser and just refresh your URL, and now you can put your username and password, and you can see your application will work here. So that's all. Thank you very much.